If you could describe eToro's new AI power in one sentence, what is it?
I have one word for you: magic. My name is Paulo Lima and I am a content creator.
What's the one thing that you've heard today that's made you think?
I think the one thing I heard today was how we can just follow people doing trading, because for me it's always like a worry where I'm meant to go, but if we have pro people that are doing this and we can just copy them, it's bloody amazing, like, you know what I mean?
If you could describe the future of investing in one word, what would it be?
I'll just say AI. The way they explained how AI, okay, if we can just follow a machine or whatever it is and get through this, it's absolutely brilliant.
Which new eToro feature are you using first?
I think I'm going to use that Tori. I don't know. Tori was just, it's crazy.
It is crazy. It's AI.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't like, for me, just hearing him talk about Tori, I just feel like I'm in good hands. Do you know what I mean? So I think I'll be sticking with Tori.
What did you know better today than you did an hour ago?
I knew better today than I did an hour ago just how I can invest it was kind of just how AI can invest for me. But knowing that like there's loads of people like studying the charts, how they're going, and then I can just copy what they're doing, and I just think it's amazing. Times have changed.
What's the biggest misconception about AI in trading that you're glad has been put to rest today?
I just think for me, just even though that we have the AI, and if the AI is wrong, knowing that there is actually people watching what's going up and down, I just feel a little bit safer. So yeah, there's a lot has been struck off today.
If you could finish the sentence for me.
Yeah.
Knowing better means?
Knowing better means trading better.